Welcome to Excelente Duplex Gramado, a spacious private condominium duplex with a fireplace. Scan the QR code on screen now to check availability and book your stay. Nestled in the heart of Gramado, this inviting apartment is just 1.1 kilometers from the scenic Black Lake Gramado, offering a peaceful retreat with easy access to the city's attractions. With St. Peter's Church a short 2.2-kilometer drive away and the Festival's Palace just 2.6 kilometers from your doorstep, you'll have plenty to explore nearby. This air-conditioned duplex features 3 comfortable bedrooms, a cozy living room with a fireplace, and a fully equipped kitchen complete with an oven and coffee machine, perfect for preparing meals at home. The bathroom includes a bath or shower and a hairdryer for added convenience, while towels and bed linen are provided, so you can settle in right away. Outside, you'll find barbecue facilities for enjoyable cookouts, a garden to unwind in, and even a picnic area for leisurely outdoor meals. Free Wi-Fi keeps you connected, and private parking is included at no extra cost, ideal for travelers arriving by car. A laundry service is also available to make longer stays hassle-free. Gramado Bus Station is just 1.8 kilometers away, and Canela Airport is a quick 9-kilometer drive, making arrivals and departures smooth. For nature lovers, Imigrant Valley Park and Flower Square are within easy reach for day trips. Whether you're visiting Gramado for relaxation or adventure, this duplex offers comfort, convenience, and excellent value. Don't forget to scan the QR code now to secure your booking.